Today, you know, projects never end around here, so this shed's been bugging the crap out of me. The shed's old, and the doors, like the doors are on the ground right now. The doors were off their slides and just a mess, and wouldn't go back and forth or anything anymore. So, and what I did, I got 2x4s and cut them to length, and there's two 2x4s, one here with lag bolts in between. And I overlapped over the metal of the frame of the shed, and then bolted it in where it'd be strong on the top and on the sides too, and then used an old landscape timber. We like to use as much of the wood as we can with the prices and all that. So I took an old landscape timber and cut it, put it there, and then a brace here, and then two supports on the sides. So lag bolts, 2x4s, and screws, and now I have a frame, a good sturdy frame. Eventually what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut a hole back there in the back and cut the top out, the top of the back off, and put chicken wire there so there'll be ventilation. And this is gonna become our chicken coop. I'll put laying boxes on the right-hand side, and then probably rabbits on the left-hand side. But there'll be a door here and all that too. And then the old chicken coop right here is slowly but surely being outgrown by what we've got in our flock with the baby chickens and all that. So this is going to become where the pigs come. They'll have their shelter here. So that's what I've been doing today, and I was really pleased. I didn't think I was going to have any bracing there for this frame, but it's really strong and very sturdy for a door and all that too. So gonna go run to the hardware store in a little while and get some more wire and build a door, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards.
Here Richard has got the chicken wire attached to this supported section here of this door. This is very stable setup. Here's the inside, so you can see that the chickens will get plenty of ventilation from this, and they will be secure.
Our only guinea is lonely, and she stares at the reflection in our vehicles. We have 3 babies that are coming up, and she'll have company real soon.
Okay, it is done.
It is done. So it'll open, like I say. Chicken wire on the inside and over there, and now we got ventilation. Want to open that other side up, and this will make a good chicken coop. Until now, for now, to keep the chickens out of there. They get in there and make a mess and lay eggs and stuff. Please like and subscribe to keep following as we convert this old shed into a chicken coop.
Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.